At the plant level, we are maintaining all the information. That's QM information is at the plant level. This key date is very important. Key date, normally the system will pick the current date when you are creating it. Okay, so now because I am in the change mode, here in the lower half, you can see the key date. Valid from date is coming as yesterday's. So all the administrative data will come here in the lower half, and whenever you are creating any master data or anything, you have to make it release. So if you want to use it, it should be released. And of course, you need to maintain these information wherever it is mandatory, you have to maintain it. Since it is a qualitative MIC and I have created color, MIC name, you have to select this characteristics attribute. I am keeping remaining thing default only, not making any changes because it will allow me to create without making any changes also. Default settings are maintained, right? Some settings are maintained because here it is a radio button. It means some option should have been selected.
Summarize.
Saying that if I don't make any changes except this one characteristics attribute, it will allow me to do that. And now, since color is some property which I cannot measure, means I need something which will, with the help of which I can specify what is the color I have observed. Okay, so whether it is, okay, I have here in this, these are the colors which are maintained, and when the end user is entering the information in the system, like when he is doing the inspection and he is entering for color, these are the data or the codes which will be available for him to enter. Okay, so he should be given a list of options. I don't want the end user to enter XYZ or any name for the color randomly. So that's why we are again creating this is another master data. This is one master data which is a property named color. This is another master data catalog, which will allow the end user to select from this list only. So far we haven't created any. So at present for the testing purpose, I can use this one also, which is already there in the system. Okay. Have the option, if it is already there, you can pick that or you can create your own and then assign it. But at present, I am just using the existing one, which is there in the system. Okay. So now it is checked, right? So by default, initial login language was English. So if I want, I can maintain in another language also this thing. For German, it is DE. Then in German, of course, whatever is the short text you want to maintain, that you can maintain here. At present, this is not checked, means multiple languages are not maintained. But if I'm selecting this and maintaining in German, what will be the short text to be displayed, then this will also be checked. Okay, let me save this. Okay, or let me show you simple, just simply ignore what I'm doing at present. /n mm0 to enter 108 was the material, right? We have activated QMV in this. See, everywhere it will ask you for the plant because this comes at the plant level. I'm just activating whatever inspection type you want to do on particular material. You will activating that. I will explain you this thing later on. I just want to show you the list. Okay. /n /. Material is, we have created color, right? And I have assigned the property to be tested on this material, which is 108, because I have activated inspection on this material. So I have created an inspection lot and I want to do the result recording. This is my property which I want to test. When I want to enter the result, this is the list which is coming in. Because in the MIC with the name color, I have linked these catalogs. Okay, so I will be able to enter only this. User will not be able to enter, say here XYZ. It will give me the error. So I have to enter information from this list only, And to avoid end user to enter randomly some text, we are giving them this list. So this is another master data which will be created and then you will be assigning it there. So let's go to again another MIC. QS21 enter. We can take any. So length is the MIC. Here you can see this checkbox is checked, means some specifications are maintained. If any data is maintained, you will see this checkbox, okay, as checked.
Yes, sir.
And these are the specification, lower limit and upper limit is maintained. Why it is coming here? Because here I have selected these two indicators, lower limit and upper limit. Okay, so when you are creating any MIC, you will get this pop-up and whatever indicators you are selecting here, only those specifications you will be able to maintain here. If I uncheck this lower limit, okay, continue. Okay, so see this. Now the lower limit is not coming. This thing is linked to the control indicator. Whatever you are maintaining here, if I maintain this target value also here in this case, okay, so you will be entering that also. Okay, so now again it is coming the lower limit. So I can enter the lower limit as say 5 and target value, suppose I enter say 10. Okay, continue and then save it. Now if I enter the same MIC, say length, in my plan, at present you can ignore this part because I do understand that how the MIC result recording will be done. Okay. You can check the consistency. This icon is for the consistency. If there is any error, you will get the error, which you can resolve. Okay. So, see now this is the another MIC which I will be entering the result, and here you can see the specification, right? 5 to 16, which we have maintained. So if I enter say 17 here, so in the lower half you can see the value is outside the tolerance range. That is coming, and this pop-up is asking you whether you want to reject it or still if I want to accept, I can accept it. That option is coming. Okay. And for color again, I will be entering from this. So अगर measurable MIC will the specification आएंगे, if you are entering out of it, then it will warn you that it is out of the specification. Now it is checked. Okay, because it is within the range. If it is qualitative, then you will be entering this.